In this tutorial, we'll explore how to access and download the Panopto standalone application. To begin, we'll go inside our Blackboard course and we'll access Panopto using the course tool link that we've previously set up. Once we do this, we'll see that we're looking at Panopto inside of Blackboard as a tool. One of the things that we'll notice is if we select Create, we have record and capture features using basic Panopto. But if you're looking for more advanced features like editing, we'll need to do that in the standalone application. To do this, what we need to do is we need to navigate over to where it says Powered by Panopto, because we're currently working inside a Blackboard. Then what we'll do is we'll navigate below this to the square with the diagonal triangle or arrow pointing to the upper right-hand corner. We'll select this, and this is going to redirect us. We can see this in our web browser that we have a new tab available, and what we've done is we have accessed Panopto in a new web browser. So we're no longer technically inside of Blackboard at this point. You can see this by the URL here. And once we've done that, we'll notice that we get the Panopto logo also in the upper left-hand corner. Now that we're inside the actual Panopto from the Panopto site, you'll see in the right-hand corner your username, and below that there will be a link that says Download Panopto. We'll go ahead and select Download Panopto to access the installers for the desktop version. You'll get a dialog box that appears, and it will allow you to download Panopto. This is going to be a little bit different depending on which system you're running. I'm running a Mac, so I'm demonstrating this on a Mac, but notice it does tell you what operating system you need to have installed. Windows, it says the exact same thing, so you'll have the ability to select either the Windows or the Mac installer, and what will happen is that this will download and install onto your computer by selecting one of these two possible installers. This is going to allow you essentially to have access to the editing capabilities and more advanced features that are not built into the Blackboard version of the tool. For editing and things like that, you'll definitely want to download this tool. Once it's downloaded and you're prompted through the installers, you'll want to check to make sure that Panopto is available inside your applications. In following videos, we'll explore more how to actually use this tool. I hope that you found this tutorial useful, and for more information, please visit us at the Faculty Center for the Advancement of Teaching and Learning.